What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio, with Mobility Direct, and it's freezing here in Southwest Florida. Literally, my coffee is freezing. It was steaming hot just a second ago. Any colder, I might go ice skating on my pond. It hit about the 30s last night, and I'm usually going to tell you about a mobility scooter in my videos, but today I'm going to tell you about something that is super useful in cold climates, and that is our line of heated lift chair recliners. Okay, if you don't know about a lift chair recliner, they're basically like a normal recliner, except they're built with medical grade quality and parts and craftsmanship, built to last a lot longer than your typical furniture store recliner. They have heat and massage features. They have headrest adjustment, backrest adjustment, leg rest adjustment, inversion tilt, you name it. Many of them are American made. They have several different fabric types, and they are all around way better and more affordable than your typical furniture store recliner. Okay, because they are medical grade products, they're going to have a medical grade warranty. They even include an in-home repair plan. So when you need help down the road to get a replacement part, a lot of our customers, they lose the remote control because their grandchildren or their nieces and their nephews rip it right out, the wire breaks, and they hide it somewhere, and well, we got the parts ready to go, all the parts. Now, if you're in the frigid temperatures like I am, you may want to consider the heat and massage option. I know I am, and it's game changing, okay? Even inside, it's like 60 degrees. We don't turn the heaters on, okay? We're tougher than that, okay? Now, there's nothing wrong with turning your heater on, but really it's just my wife thinks that it smells really bad when you turn the heater on because we don't really ever use it, and it does. It smells like something's on fire. I try to pretend like I'm just a tough, manly man and I don't need the heater, but the reality is I was up all night shivering. I've got 2 sweaters on, 2 hats on, a neck warmer, 2 pants on, and I've been like this all night. It's ridiculous. Anyway, folks, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and remember, we don't just sell mobility scooters, wheelchairs, ramps, accessories, batteries. We also sell medical recliners, and we'd love to earn your business. So if you're interested, give us a call with the number below. Speak with our non-commissioned sales experts. They'd love to answer any questions that you may have and get you in a medical recliner that's going to keep you warm throughout the rest of this frigid season. Also, don't forget our new catalog's out. It's got the lift chair recliners in there as well. It also has discount codes and a ton of information about our company. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. Even Benji is freezing cold. He won't go potty. Okay? He's looking at you right now. He's saying, hey, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You might win a free mobility product if you do, and leave a comment. Right, Benji? Great job, Benji. That was unscripted. He's a natural.
He's 100 years old. Not only is he 100 years old, but he is also an Army World War II vet, and he has an amazing story. I really appreciate you serving our country and doing everything that you have for us. My company loves to give back to our veterans. As a token of our appreciation in serving this amazing country, this is your scooter, sir. We're giving this scooter to you for free.
Really appreciate it.
Absolutely. You're so welcome.
Hello, Mike. This is Andrew, my best friend.
Thanks, my friend.
Hey, no problem, man. Enjoy it, all right? God loves you, and we want to help you get around a little bit better. And this is something that we try to do every so often, and it has some suspension on there too, so you're not going to feel the cracks in the road as much. Tell us your first thoughts. What do you like about it? What don't you like about it?
There's nothing I don't like about it. In fact, I like everything about it. I'm happy I got it. I thank Travis and you guys, but most of all, I thank God.
All right, then it's all yours.
Appreciate you, brother.
So again, just like his, you can sit down on it, lift the armrest up, go for your first ride. Woo! So what do you say we go hook up Ricky next?
Let's go get Ricky going.
Let's go put a smile on Ricky's face.
We gotta get the gang back together.
That's it. I want to get a shot of you guys like a biker gang going down the street. Have a seat in your brand new Chariot. All black.
All black. Woo! How's that feel?
How your legs feeling? How's that hip feeling now?
What hip?
So it's yours.
Oh man, thank you so much.
Ricky, thank you for just being a good person and, you know, putting God first. And
Appreciate you,
got the
Ricky.
charge. I'm Sergio, by the way.
How you doing, Bob?
Nice to meet you, Bob. Brings us joy to bring others joy, and hopefully he can have fun with it.
He's never been so happy.
Look at that smile. He's smiling from ear to ear.
I just put it out there, you know.
Oh, don't cry. Can I give you a hug?
Perfect size for him.
What were you saying?
I said it's a godsend that I got this. It's a miracle, really. I needed it desperately.
So this mobility scooter, it can be a little heavy and hard to transport.
Shoulders might be broken, and the wrist is broken. So I can't lift anything. Just to lift the pasta pot is hard.
We brought you a folding mobility scooter.
You're kidding.
Or this one.
You're gonna make me cry.
Nope, we're serious.
John,
It's brand new and it folds. It's lighter, very easy to work with. Looks like, you know, that's what we do, man. We just bless people that are subscribed to us, and
Some beautiful weather out. Make sure you get out and enjoy it, man.
how you doing? I'm Sergio. This is Travis.
Man, nice to meet you, bro. I'm Drew. Nice to meet you.
It's gonna be a little easier than that cane. Yeah. Test it around.
Oh, right, man.
So clean wheels, Dad. This like early Christmas.
He's hungry. He's like, get out my way. I'm hungry. I'm going to get me some food right now. Hey, I heard you're using this wheelchair right now, and it's kind of tough. Why don't you go look right over there? I got my best friend Andrew with me. He's got something for you.
Hi, Rhonda.
Oh my god.
How are you?
Oh wow. Oh my god.
This is your scooter, ma'am.
I don't know how to thank you.
Hey, you're very welcome.
Thank you so very much.
This must be Barbara. How you doing, Barbara? I know it's not going to solve all your problems. I know you've had the flood. You want to try it out?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
You like it?
Oh, I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All you did was what?
I
Subscribe?
subscribed. That's
And you got called?
yes, and I got called, and I love the channel, and you guys care about us.
I'm so glad that the scooter ended up in, you know, your hands, someone that really can use it and appreciate it.
Yeah, really have no idea. I really thank you so much.
No problem. Can I get a hug?
Yes,
Another hug?
definitely.
Enjoy the fresh air. There you go. There you go. Nice. So I got you one. Hope you don't mind. It's just, yeah, this is yours. This is all yours. You know, you needed one and you're using a manual one and it's kind of hurting a little bit. So don't cry. Oh, come on. Can I get a hug? No, don't. It's okay. Don't cry. You should be excited. This is for you. Nice and smooth, right? Not too bad. She got her power wheelchair. She loves it. And we couldn't be happier to help somebody out. Hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel and you could be the next lucky winner. Isn't that right?
thank you, Sergio.
Thank you for subscribing and supporting our YouTube channel.
Thank
I hope you enjoy your power chair.
It's going to be a huge help, an absolute huge help. Thank you. Thank you
You're very welcome.